Vietnam national football coach aims to win SEA Games gold medal in Cambodia. Vietnam coach Philippe Troussier says the under-22 national team is under pressure to perform at its best in the 2023 SEA Games in Cambodia. Speaking to reporters when the plane landed in Cambodia, the Vietnamese national team coach said, "We came here with the aim of winning the title and we have to play against strong opponents, but we are ready." The Frenchman added that his side were under pressure as they set their sights on winning trophies and showing their best form on the pitch. Troussier has been in charge of the Vietnam U22 national team since February 2023, replacing Park Hang-seo, who resigned in the past. In the Doha Cup 2023 friendly match in March, Troussier recently led the Vietnam under-22 team for the first time. But the result was not successful, losing all 3 games: Iraq, the United Arab Emirates and Kyrgyzstan. In the 2023 SEA Games, the Vietnam U22 national football team is in the group with Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore and Laos.